Hello, I have bought a new automatic watch by the name of Pagani Design 1692. I ordered the watch on AliExpress, which is an online retail service based in China.
Google it and you will see what I'm saying is 100% truth.
And the delivery took 16 days. Let's unbox the watch.
Let's do this.
The watch is delivered in a branded paper box. Let's find out what's inside this box.
Let's do it.
This is the Pagani logo. I paid $76.10 for the Pagani Design 1692, including shipping.
It's not a lot, I don't think.
This is a branded microfiber cloth. And here's a little screwdriver.
Does anyone actually really use these?
There is no hang tag, or maybe it's this one. Here's the hang tag. And here's the most important thing in this box, namely the Pagani Design 1692 in all its glory. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Yes, it is. Here's the guarantee card and the instruction manual. Back to the watch.
Yeah.
The first thought that comes to mind is that the Pagani 1692 is a visually spectacular timepiece. It's a sight to behold. This watch has grace and it's indeed beautifully finished. This is not my first Pagani design, as I have the 1645 model since before. Let's set the correct time. It's 5 minutes past 7 in the morning. This watch has a screw-down crown. There's no date complication. So the name of the watch is Pagani Design. It's a Homage watch brand. This is an automatic watch, but you can also wind it manually.
Of course!
I unscrew the crown. And the watch has a hacking function, so you can stop the second hand by pulling out the crown. The crown is big and stable, and it has the Pagani design logo on it. The Pagani 1692 is a homage to the Rolex Explorer, a watch costing no less than $15,000.
Say what?
So you have to be well-to-do to afford a watch like that.
Released in 1953, the Rolex Explorer is the tool watch in its purest form. Made to commemorate Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay's ascent of Mount Everest. Part 2.
Let's take a closer look at this watch. The beauty of the Pagani 1692 is in its simplicity. A three-hander with a plain black dial, 3 and 6 and 9 markers, and a brushed stainless steel case give it an understated look that works in both casual and formal settings. The Pagani 1692 is nicely sized at 40 millimeters. The thickness of the case is 12 millimeters and the spacing between the lugs is 20 millimeters. And here's my Casio Duro for comparison. The glass is hard-coated, scratch-resistant, sapphire crystal with 7-fold anti-reflective treatment. So the glass can't be scratched, and I will not try to prove this. Some people may think that a date window is an eyesore on the dial. I don't know if I agree about that, but the dial sure looks more symmetrical and clean without the date window. The case is made of polished stainless steel, handsomely finished to a gorgeous degree. Let's try this Homage watch on my wrist. If you watch my channel, you probably already know that the circumference of my wrist is 6 3/4 inches, so it's rather small. As you see, there is not much clearance as the lugs are very close to the end of my wrist on either side. With a thickness of 12 millimeters, the Pagani 1692 sits well underneath the cuff. So this watch is quite big, and I don't recommend anyone with a wrist smaller than mine to wear it. The bracelet features solid steel links joined with screw-in pins. The bracelet has a fold-over clasp with an additional fold-over security lock. This is a great watch. It has presence and it presents a truly remarkable sight. The Pagani 1692 is beautifully finished in terms of metalwork. And it has a non-transparent screw-down caseback. The Pagani 1692 is powered by a NH35 movement. This self-winding movement ensures accurate timekeeping without the need for manual winding.
In standard automatic mechanical watches, the time can vary by ±10 seconds per day. Mechanical watches typically have an accuracy of ±5 seconds per day. Some high-end mechanical watches can reach an accuracy of ±3 seconds per day.
As you may notice, as this is a mechanical watch, it has a sweeping second hand. This second hand moves continuously. Quartz watches have a jumping second hand. Let's check out the weight of this watch. It's quite heavy. It weighs 146 grams.
Truly amazing.
Let's check out the lume.
Pagani design has hit the nail on the head with this one. This is a watch for special occasions, and I really like the way it wears. It's a glorious piece. It's a fantastic watch. It has character with its symmetrical and clean dial. This is really a connoisseur's piece that redefines opulence.